Hello, my name is Vincent Famularo, managing paralegal here at Amazon Sellers Lawyer. I am here to give you insider info on the COVID-19 restricted product allegations you are receiving for any beauty, like personal safety products, such as face masks, hand sanitizer, cleaning supplies. All these products have been restricted due to COVID-19. So if you ever have any of these listed, they're going to get taken down with the COVID-19 updated policy restricted products notification. Technically, you don't have to answer these. So if you have these and you don't care about the ASIN, you don't have to answer them. If you do want to appeal it, the best way to get these products reinstated is to apply. Go to the policy. The policy is right on the bottom of the notification. Click it. On the bottom of that, it'll tell you how to apply. Go through the application process, apply for the products, and you should be able to list the products that were restricted. But again, if you do not care for the ASIN or the products, you don't have to answer it. Remove that product. If you are suspended for like inauthentic or IP complaints for these type of products, remove all those type of products, all the safety products, all the branded products, anything with face masks, hand sanitizer, and any type of healthy cleaning products, and make sure they're all removed prior to submitting the appeal. Because if you have any of these products still listed, your account won't get reinstated and the appeal will most likely not be answered. So if you are suspended for these type of products, remove all of them, then submit. If you have a restricted products allegation for these type of products, you don't have to answer them, but if you want to, apply for the category. If you are still having problems, call us. Thank you.